Hey, are you a physio, a chiropractor, or an osteopath? Then I've got a great challenge for you. On the 16th of June, we're releasing the Go-To Physio Clinical Reasoning Bootcamp. Now, in that series, I'm going to reveal 4 videos of me treating real patients when things aren't going according to the textbooks. So this isn't going to be what sounds good on social media. This is going to be real life patients and where should we go next. I'm going to challenge you to think, I'm going to challenge you to come up with treatment plans, to come up with a prognosis. But most importantly of all, I'm going to challenge you to differentiate yourself from other therapists and become that go-to therapist. So in video 1, we're going to look at a complex back pain patient. We're going to look at the initial assessment and how we can link the subjective story to the objective assessment so that we know where to start. In session 2, we're going to look at a complex groin and hip pain patient and know when and where our entry point is to the treatment program. Do we regress them to the bed, or can we progress them to standing or other higher level progressions? I'm going to take you through all of that with a real case. In session 3, we're going to go through the 4 to 6 session slope. So that's when all the initial nice cozy exercises are starting to get some progress. But what happens when we have to progress the patient from the low level exercises to the higher level? That, from my experience working in professional sport for over 12 years, is when things can go horribly wrong. I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how to differentiate so that you have the utmost confidence to know when to progress or when to regress. And then session 4, I'm going to show you how to put it all together so that you can truly have confidence to build resilience with your patient even when the pain eases. So you're not going to have patients cancelling, dropping off just because the symptoms have eased. You're going to show them why it's so important to build resilience and empower them to have the skill sets to thrive in real life situations. So if you want to join the challenge, click on the button below and I'll see you on the 16th of June.